Hey everybody, welcome to Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. So excited to have y'all here. Welcome again. Hope everybody's having a great week. If you have any questions, let me know about last week's. Other than that, we're officially halfway through the course. Last couple weeks we talked about perceptual communication, and we also talked about sensory communication and the history of it and where it's evolved to today. This week we're going to talk about technical responses and how visuals are built with technical systems to help elicit a positive response. And that's what we're going to be focusing on today. We're going to talk a lot about different technical aspects, some usability, how things are designed so that they relate a positive experience. And that's really what we're going to be focusing on today. So it's cool. So, all right. So this week we got a lot to talk about. There's a lot of things that work, a lot of things that really matter with a lot of things. So this week we're going to talk a lot about responses gathered from features or systems that have a digital format to show how people can speak and understand things visually from a technical aspect. These visuals help us make it easier to navigate and understand technical systems, and that's what's really important. Now, we have to refer back to the 5 design rules. A lot of times there's 5 core rules that follow technical visuals, and they always have to be simple, which involves simplicity. They also have to understand proximity, how things are located with each other, clarity, things have to be clear. You also have to have it engaging. It has to be engaging, it has to be fun for the user, so something that they have fun using. That's another thing. And also navigation. Easier to find things, easier to go back to the home pages. It all matters. And systems that help people understand technical aspects are really important, and these are really crucial visuals that help people understand things. For example, some good examples are drop-down menus. There are drop-down menus that when you see a cell and you click on it and then boom, you have a bunch of options right there. That allows you to assign things and go from there. That's a good example of a technical response or a visual. GIFs, for example, graphic image frames are really awesome. They're little small couple second videos that show just a cool expression of how people think or how people are trying to communicate. And then you also have highlighted options. These are when you have a mouse that's hovered over a certain option. It highlights it to let people know what page you're on or what section you're about to click. That also helps out. These are good examples of technical visuals that help people understand things overall. And that's what's really great about it. Now, we're also going to focus on a couple other things. We're going to focus on visual organization principles, Gestalt concepts versus user experience. We're going to talk about that. We're also going to talk about aesthetics and their importance, and also visual connectivity and their relationship with technical responses and how they kind of play a part with things. Other than that, that's all I got. Do keep in mind, please keep in mind you have your discussion initial post due on Tuesday. Live lectures on Tuesday as well. You also have your reply post due on Saturday, written assignment on Sunday. We'll go over the assignments on lecture as always. Other than that, that's all I got. So hope everybody had a great weekend. Hope you guys enjoyed Memorial Day. If you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, be safe, have fun, enjoy. Hope everybody had a great week. And if you need anything, just give me a holler. All right, enjoy everybody. Take it easy. Bye-bye.